learned to make breakfast burritos. So we don't melt eggs, dark salt, what's the name of this again?
Black pepper.
And black pepper, and a bowl and a fork. My dad's cracking the egg right now. We're doing the 3 eggs. I'm putting some dark salt on the eggs right now.
Keep going a little more.
I'm going to gently pour the milk in with my dad. Now what? My dad Joe's breakfast burritos. He just fills his tummy with them. Breakfast burrito. And now we have it. Scrambled eggs. I just see all of them. And I eat them right now.
Adding the eggs in.